Hi Max,
Hi Ken.
I need your support here as you are the SOLIDWORKS CAM and CAMWorks expert.
Sure, what is it?
I have a customer inquiry here and would like to go for integrated CAD/CAM. So what's the difference between SOLIDWORKS CAM and CAMWorks?
SolidWorks CAM is powered by CAMWorks. Basically, they are the computer-aided manufacturing application which convert the toolpath you created into G-code so that your machine can read it and do the machining operation accordingly. For SolidWorks CAM, we have SolidWorks CAM Standard, SolidWorks CAM Professional, while the CAMWorks we have CAMWorks Standard, Milling Professional, Turning Professional, and also CAMWorks Premium.
Wow, there are so many packages to choose from. So I'm wondering which package is suitable for my customer's operations.
There are a few factors the customer need to consider. The most important two factors are the first one, what kind of machine they are using, and the second one is what kind of model they want to machine. If they are using 3-axis machine, they can go for SolidWorks CAM Standard, but this one also depends on what kind of model they were going to machine. So for SolidWorks CAM Standard, they only support up to 2.5-axis machining.
So what do you mean 2.5-axis machinings?
2.5-axis machining means that they only have 2D profile. So what is meant by these 2D profiles? It means that the feature only require constant step down, such as pocket, slot, hole, boss, or perimeter. You also can machine 3D profile or surface as well, but the limitation is you will have some steps on your surface, unless you're using a very fine step down. However, this will increase the cycle time and result in increasing manufacturing costs.
So alright Max, so however to avoid those steps, so what can I do?
The customer can choose to go for CAMWorks. Either go for the CAMWorks Milling Standard, which does not include mill turn and undercut, or they can choose for Milling Professional, which include all the 3-axis feature. These two package of CAMWorks will create simultaneous 3-axis toolpath, which will follow the surface of the model to produce a product with good finishing.
So what if customer looking for turning?
If customer want to do the turning, they can go for SolidWorks CAM Professional. And if they want to go for SAT spindle programming, they can go for CAMWorks Turning Professional. And if all this doesn't suit their requirement, if they want to go for 4 or 5-axis simultaneous machining, we have the advanced package as well, which is the CAMWorks Premium. Either you are using a table type, table head type, or head type 5-axis machine, CAMWorks is capable to create the toolpath for all of these. In a nutshell, CAMWorks is capable to support the machine ranging from 3-axis milling, turning, mill turn, or even simultaneous 5-axis milling.
Wow, there are a lot of information about SolidWorks CAM and CAMWorks. And thank you Max for sharing about this.
You are welcome.
So I think I can able to propose my customer to use the most suitable package for them right now.